and welcome to Maths Express. Today we are studying chapter fractions, and in this chapter we would be learning about the subtraction of fractions. First, we'll subtract fractions having the same denominator. That is, we'll learn about the subtraction of like fractions. Now I have here my first example. Now in this, both the denominators are same. We have 10 in the denominators. So in this case, when you have the same denominators, make sure the denominators remains the same and we subtract the numerators. Do not make mistake by subtracting the denominators also. So denominator remains the same, denominator remains 10 and we subtract the numerators. Numerators we have 9 minus 3. Now 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. So we have 6 upon 10. We can cancel 6 upon 10 by 2. 2 3 are 6 and 2 5 is 10. So our answer is equal to 3 upon 5. I have here my second example. In this also, if you see, in both the fractions, the denominator is same. We have 15 in the denominator. So denominator remains the same and we'll subtract the numerators. So denominator remains the same 15. Let us subtract the numerators. 15 minus 2, that is equal to 15 upon 15. Now 17 minus 2, 15, and we have 15 upon 15. We can cancel both 15 and 15 by 15. So our answer is equal to 1. Now we will be doing subtraction with different denominators. I have here my first question, 2 minus 3 upon 5. Now 2 is a whole number, so we can write 2 as 2 upon 1. Now LCM of 1 and 5 would be 5. Now with which number shall we multiply 1 to get 5? We multiply 1 by 5. So we will multiply numerator also by 5. So we multiply 2 also by 5. 2 5 by is 10 minus. Now 5, with which number shall we multiply 5 to get 5? So we multiply 5 by 1. So we multiply numerator also by 1. 3 1 is 3. Now 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. So we get 7 upon 5. Now 7 upon 5 being an improper fraction, we change it to mixed fraction. So we can write it as one whole number 2 upon 5. Now coming over to our second question here. We have 2 whole number 3 upon 4 minus 1 whole number 2 upon 5. So first thing, we will change these mixed fractions to improper fractions. For that, let us multiply 4 to the 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. So we have 11 upon 4 minus here 5 on the 5 plus 2 is 7 upon 5. Now if you see, we have 4 and 5 in the denominators. So denominators being different, in case of different denominators, we need to find the LCM of the denominators. So first, let us find LCM of 4 and 5. Now LCM of 4 and 5, we'll start with 2, 2 to the 4, then again 2, 2 on the 2, 5 as it is we have copied, then 5, 5 on the 5. So now we have the LCM, and LCM is equal to 2 to the 4 and 4 5 is 20. So LCM is equal to 20. So we write the LCM here 20. Now with which number shall we multiply 4 to get 20? We have 4 5 that is 20. So we multiply numerator also by 5. 11 5 that is 55. Now here the next here. With which number shall we multiply 5 to get 20? We multiply 5 by 4. So we multiply 7 also by 4. 7 4 that is 28. Now let us subtract these. 55 minus 28 which is equal to 27. So we have 27 upon 20. Again 27 upon 20 being an improper fractions. Since numerator is greater than the denominator, we will change it to mixed fraction. Changing it to mixed fraction, we will have one whole number 7 upon 20. If you want to know how to convert mixed fraction to improper fraction, or improper fraction to mixed fractions, you can check my videos. I hope you all have understood the subtraction of fractions very clearly. So do not forget to like, share and subscribe.